Yo, what's happening, guys? We're gonna come at you today with another rapid fire question segment. This is gonna be number 30, but first, Alright, so let's get into this rapid fire question segment number 30. We're going to jump right into it. So the first person that we have on the list is Earl Holyak. It says, hey, I have a JP33 for my EMF Bandhammer 12 4000 watt RMS sub and going to be getting a 270 amp alternator. What should I get for batteries? I think the simplest thing here would be to delete your underhood battery and do a JP40 in the back. This would power your system and your vehicle. You'd be golden with this. It would be simple, and that's what I would do. So JP40, or you could also keep all your factory battery, do a big 3 upgrade and your high performance alternator, and then do 2 DOWN4SOUND LTO 6.0s in the back. Another option for you. So 2 different options there with DOWN4SOUND products. Up next we have Brad Meek. Do I go a single 18 in a 6th order series, or should I wall my car and go 2 18s in a 6th order? Can't make up my mind. Of course you should go with 2 18s, bro. Are you a bass head or not? Come on, man. 2 18s. Let's go. Next question is Andrew Basslife. What's a good pair of subs to go with the JP33? I have the Scar EVL 12s now in a Gately 4.0 cubic foot box. You could go with, I mean, I'm partial to Sundown, but you could go with 2 Sundown SA-V2 series subs. I would get them in dual 2s and wire it to half ohm if you have the electrical, and it'll get those things moving nice. If you want to move up a little bit more than that, you could go with the U series subwoofers, and you would definitely get more performance out of those subs. You would love it. So that would be my opinion on that. Up next we have Brandon Zeller. What amp would you recommend for a single Crossfire C7 V312 wired to 1 ohm? Definitely a JP33 amplifier. That's it. I mean, you could get a Crossfire C7 2K. I think it's a C7 2K. You get that if you want to be brand matching. So one of those 2 amplifiers would do awesome for you. Last but not least, we got Grant's dad. What D4S amp would you recommend for one 18-inch PSI Platfrom 3? I used to run these amplifiers in my Tahoe, and I ran a 4500 watt Sundown amp on, it was a pair of them, and I feel like they could handle more power. So I would personally go with at least a JP33 amplifier on that sub. If you have some knowledge and experience with car audio, you could probably get away with a JP43 on that sub. So one of those 2 amps and you would be golden. Alright, this is going to conclude question segment number 30. Man, we're doing a ton of these. I don't know of anybody else on YouTube or in car audio that's answering this many questions and interacting with you guys as much as I am doing this. So please do me a favor and share these videos everywhere that you can. It helps get us out there and let people know that we are interacting with you guys. And if you have questions, hit us up and we'll try to answer them for you. Again, if you have questions, post them in the comments below and we'll try to answer them for you. But don't forget about the DOWN4SOUND difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. We have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab, so be sure to check that out and keep your eyes peeled. We got a bunch of Black Friday deals coming up towards the end of this month, so we'll be posting about that on our social media, here on YouTube, and all that good stuff. So keep your eyes peeled, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP34S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.